2 minutes, guys. I want answers. This is the question. Pie chart. It's given in the form of percentage. Give me answers. Chalo, I've got all right answers. Let's see. It is simple. Now it says viewers watching different types of channels. Now, all these are given in percentages. He has not given us the total number of viewers that are there. Okay, he's just given us a percentage. So now the number of people might vary, but the percentage remains the same, right? Does that make sense? Now, in order to solve such a thing, there are two ways. First question said which type of programs are viewed the most. You saw that entertainment was half the pie, that was 50%. So you wrote entertainment. Perfect, not a problem. The next question was which two types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports. That is, there should be two other channels which equal 25%. So you said 10 over here and 15 over here equal.
News and interactive.
Pardon?
Sir, news and interactive.
That's your answer. Relax. Good. So interactive and news add up to 25%. Now, here we are simply adding 10% and 15%, which is becoming 25%. But that may not necessarily always be right in terms of numbers. So it is always better to assume when you do not have any numbers. Say I am assuming that the number of viewers are 100. Now, if I have to make it very easy, I will say entertainment is 50 people, interactive is 10 people, sports are 25 people, and news is 15 people. This is going to give me a total of 100. Now, which two types of program? He said have number of viewers equal. Number, that is the reason I have assumed the total number of viewers to be 100. Because percentage additions may not always be right. That is the reason we converted it into numbers. So sports is 25 viewers, that is 25 people. Which two others are adding up to this? Interactive and news, that is 10 other viewers plus 15 will give us 25, which makes it equal. This is how the second answer was to be derived. All of you gave the right answer, but the approach and the logic is important because he says what are the number of viewers. He wants the answer in terms of number of viewers. Is that clear, guys? As a percentage, it does not change, but as the number of viewers, it might change. You have a histogram, you have questions, you have 2 minutes to answer, guys. What is the main idea that is being discussed in the histogram? He's talking about
heights of girl. Height of girl.
Perfect. First one done. Which group contains maximum number of girls? Look at the histogram. Look at the highest bar. It contains 7 girls. So what is the range? 140 to 145 centimeters. The most number of girls in the class belong to this category or this group of height. That is 140 to 145 centimeters. Very clear? Now, he says how many girls have a height of 145 centimeters and more. So 145 and more is something that is starting from here, right? 145 and more is towards the right hand side of this. So we have 4, we have 2, and we have 1. That is 7. The answer to the third question is 7. Is it clear, guys? Now,
yes, sir.
The last one says if we divide the girls into the following. Look, if we divide, that means that condition is only with respect to the fourth question. Then how many would there be? How many would be there in each? 150 centimeters and more is group A. That means 150 and more. That is the right hand side of this. So that is 2 plus 1. That is 3 girls. Clear? 140 to less than 150. That means from 140, that is this, to less than 150. That is this. So it is only this range, guys. So that is how much? 7 plus 4. That is 11. The last one says less than 140. This is the mark of 140. Less means towards the left hand side. So it is 3, 2, and 1. That is 6 girls.